Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Crochet Patrons. So guys, in today's video I have so many beautiful cushion covers for you guys. They all are so colorful and stylish. They enhance the beauty of any kind of sofas in your living room and the bedroom and drawing room. You can see that all are the beautiful colors and beautiful patterns, so that they can just make your house beautiful and enhance the living room ideas and beauty of your house. As you can see, they all are so beautiful and so stylish. They add color to your house, as they all are with the different patterns and colors. All patterns are really creative and eye-catching. You can just make them by yourself, make it for your house, or just give them as a gift to your loved ones and dear ones. Guys, I hope you are enjoying the beautiful collection of crochet cushion covers. You can have ideas from this video and select the favorite one for you. They look and make environment so cozy, and you can just add these kind of cushions to your beds also. You can just have different kind of colors and patterns and combine them and place them in your bed. They make your bedroom so cozy and stylish also. They are really trendy. They are now in trend to make your bed with different kind of cushions. It's modern style and make your house beautiful. As you can see, the patterns are really amazing and different, with a bit 3D like look. They are so trendy. Colors, especially maroon and white, are really great. This is so amazing. When you just see them, you cannot believe that crochet art has so much variety. They just you can just pick any kind of flower, any kind of pattern to make a beautiful cushion. If you know how to crochet, it's really amazing, and you'll enjoy making these kind of beautiful projects for your house. I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you're liking the content I share with you guys, please let me know in the comment box, cause your feedback is really important for me. If you give me feedback, it will make me happy, and I'll make the content accordingly. And I think I should know that the people for I am making the content, I am making the collection, they are you liking it or not. So I'll appreciate your feedback, and I'll just improve my videos and my collections according to your feedback. Guys, these beautiful collection are really for you guys, to give you idea of designing a new house or just maintaining the old one. Just add some color and style to your house by placing these kind of cushions. Will make you comfortable and relaxed. Every woman want their house to be beautiful place to live, and everyone want to just decorate their house best possible way. So these kind of addings to your house make your house beautiful and enhance the liveliness in your house. So guys, please go through the whole video and watch all the designs and select your favorite one from them. I hope you're liking it. All are beautiful colors and patterns, as you can see. And I just said before, and I say in every video, just tell me in the comments. Your comments are really important to me and really appreciated, because the feedback gives the confidence to the person who is making the video for you guys. So if you're liking it, please let me know. All the patterns are really trendy and mostly are 3D kind of patterns that make the cushion more stylish. These kind of flower looking or star looking cushions are really nice to add to your drawing room, living rooms. They all are so trendy and my personal favorite. If you just add these kind of colorful things to your house or your children room, they will make the room cozy and beautiful. There are so many patterns and projects which look amazingly beautiful for the children also. You can just add them to your little one's room to make their room colorful, and they'll enjoy staying in the colorful room. So guys, if you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel, press the black icon whenever I just post any kind of video, so you get notification. Thank you.